Boring, boring, boring. ChatGPT is everywhere. Even my neighbor cat is thinking about using ChatGPT to get some milk. Anyway, the latest release, we added ChatGPT example so our users can use it. Let's just run it and see how it works. This is obviously the most complex question ever. So we just click OK and wait for the response. And here it is. Unbelievable. How do they know? Well, let's ask another question. Yeah, we want to ask more questions. So let's say that we want to just one word. Okay. It's very difficult to explain to ChatGPT what we want. So, yes. Talking with cat is much easier. Okay, let's try again. Finally, we got it working. That was tough. Anyway, don't want to run. It's completed. So how it actually works? Good question. So we start with assigning parameters. So the first parameter we have is API key. In your case it will be different. Then we have API endpoint. For example, it is possible to use Olama as API endpoint, or even DeepSeek should work. Then I have the from JSON object. This part is actually replaced during the execution. So we run it, we ask the user for the input, and we store input in the question variable. Then we convert this question variable into properly formatted JSON, because the users may decide to enter quotes or ask multi-line questions, etc., some special characters as well. Then we submit our request to ChatGPT via ChatGPT API, and we save the result of the execution into this variable. Let's have a look at the actual execution. See, we should be able to see it. Okay, so execution log, double click on it. Here are the updated variables. Should be able to see it, so we'll scroll down. Okay, here it is. Here's our response. So basically we have a response as an array of choices. What we want to do, we want to get the first record from this array using this object. Then we want to get a message object from it. And we want to get the actual content from it. And we use multiple objects for it, so we're getting choices, for example. In same principle, just have choices. Oh, come on, where are you? Just type it. So his choices array. We're getting the first choice. So here's the choice variable with the message. getting message, getting message content, content is London, and we're showing it to the user. But first thing we need to unescape it, because again, since it is a JSON string, it might have multiple lines or some special characters in it, and we just show the message to the user as an answer. And basically that's it. Very simple transformation or workflow. I hope you find it useful and don't be boring. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.